Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming what you already have: a phone, a Mac, or a browser, and likely email addresses. Once ready, open Settings and tap your name. That shows the account summary, which often lists your Apple ID email. If you don't have a device at hand, make sure to visit Apple. Select Sign In, then choose Forgot Apple ID to begin a lookup using your name and email. This gets you into the process right away so you can identify the username. Next, focus on the core lookup steps. On device settings, the Apple ID username appears as an email under your profile. Write it down. If it's not visible, choose Forgot Apple ID on Apple.com and enter your full name plus any candidate emails. The system will suggest matches. Also, make sure to check saved passwords or keychain on your devices because browsers and password managers often store the exact Apple ID. Once done, you'll have either the confirmed username or a short list to test. Finish by signing in with the username you uncovered. Make sure to complete any verification prompts or two-factor authentication so the account is fully accessible. Once signed in, verify or update your primary email in account settings if you prefer a different address. If sign-in fails, use Account Recovery and keep any device-trusted codes handy. One key troubleshooting tip: if the lookup fails, systematically test known email aliases, older work or school addresses, and then start the official recovery flow to regain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.